guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this half video background edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this as my video. I'm just going to copy and paste that as well. Then I'm going to select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout, and on the background video I'm going to select mask and I'm going to select split, and I'm going to split it halfway. You can also split it diagonally, or I don't know, it's totally up to you. I'm just going to split it halfway, and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit to blend it. You can add in another background of your choice, like a video, by adding this here and putting the other video on top if you'd like to. But you can also add in a picture from Canvas. It has to be on the main track though. Go to Canvas and go to style, and from here you can add in another sort of picture, or again you can choose a video for it. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!